A very good morning to one and all. Please confirm that my voice is clearly audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, audible.
Thank you very much. I'm just waiting for organizers to let me know when to start this session. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi Arpit, thanks for joining the call and glad to have on Sunday morning.
Yes, Raj. A very good morning, Raj, and a good morning, Anuradha as well. That is great. That's great. I'm also in the office today for this reason only that I just came to office to give the webinar.
Thank you, Arpit. And welcome, students. I see around 50 plus students have joined this session. A very important session for all of us who are looking for doing the post-graduation in this coming year. Especially, we know the job market and we are going to talk about it a short while. Today's session, you will be going through a few things, why data science is very important, and machine learning and artificial intelligence, what are the job opportunities that we have. And after this, we're also going to see, and I'm sure in your minds, this is the biggest question today. How do you choose your next step? What are the steps to choose the right post-graduation? Because you will be bombarded with so many options, and most options come from friends who themselves are not successful. So let us have a look at what are the different options available in the market and what is most suitable for you. So we will be walking you through, these are the various parameters that you can choose, and from those you can choose, okay, this is best for me and this is what I want to do during this recession time, so that soon after the recession, probably in 2023, things will become all better. Okay, so let us discuss, let us start off, jump into the class from Arpit sir. And Arpit also teaches in the post-graduation program that International Institute of Digital Technologies, IIDT Blackbucks partnered post-graduation program. He teaches on it. He is also a practitioner himself, data science practitioner, very passionate teacher. In spite of being practitioner, he connects to students and offers his knowledge to the students. So I would like Manaswini to give a brief introduction about Arpit sir. And after that, Arpit will take you into why data science is important and what are the opportunities available in this data science or machine learning sector. Okay. Over to you, Manaswini.
Hi everyone. So I would like to introduce the speaker today. So he is Mr. Arpit Yadav. He is a senior data scientist in Bangalore. He's also an artificial intelligence and machine learning researcher, as well as international speaker and mentor in data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence too. In addition, he provides AI/ML consulting services to companies and universities around the world, and trains corporate employees in subjects like Python, data science, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. He is currently enrolled in PhD program for machine learning at CVV Indore, but has already completed a PGP program in AI/ML from the University of Texas at Austin and Great Lakes, Hyderabad. Furthermore, he holds an MTech in VLSI design and BE electronics and communication engineering. To top up to all, he's also having 12 years of experience under his belt, which includes VLSI researcher, machine learning, data science, and AI, making him more than qualified to be mentoring many technocrats today. Hope you'll be having a quite insights of emerging technologies today. Thank you, and over to you, Arpit sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for my kind introduction. I'm very much thankful to you. Before moving ahead, please confirm that my screen is visible and my voice is clearly audible. Please
Yes,
confirm.
sir.
And now my PPT is also visible. Please confirm. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay,
Yes.
my PPT is
Yes,
visible.
sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm starting my session. Thank you very much. A very good morning to one and all. I welcome all of you on the much awaited webinar today, organized by the Blackbucks engineers in association with the IIIT. Now, today, before moving ahead, I would like to say one important thing before learning the webinar content. As a learner, as a student, or as a working professional, whenever we people are deciding to learn any new technology in the market, so don't directly jump to learn that technology. Before that, do the pre-analysis of that technology. What do you mean by pre-analysis of that technology? In that pre-analysis, you have to ask 3 questions to yourself, and you should have the 3 answers of that. What are those 3 questions? The very first question that you are going to ask yourself is that, what is this technology about and why it is so much famous in the market, which I want to learn. I should know the answer of this. Second important question, why all the multinational companies, small scale companies, government organizations are using this technology, and what is the impact of this technology in my day-to-day life? What are the different applications our society is using of that technology in daily routine? We should know the answer of this. And the third most important question is, then what are the skill set required to learn this technology? And after upgrading the skill set of this technology, what is an opportunity for an individual like us in terms of job, either government or private, in terms of higher research, that is called as higher studies, or either in terms of entrepreneur, startup. And I will be giving the answer of all these 3 questions in the most quality way to save your time and to help you take the decision in the world of technology. My name is Arpit Yadav, and I'm working as a senior data scientist as well as researcher in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I'm also working as a CTO at IIDT Bangalore. So let's go ahead and enter in the world of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. As my introduction has already been given, just I will take 1 minute to give a short overview about me. My engineering has been done in the electronics and telecommunication, and then I did my MTech in VLSI design. Currently, I'm pursuing my PhD in machine learning. I completed my post-graduation program. For what purpose? I'm motivating you people in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning from the Texas University, USA. I'm having the total 12 years of experience, out of which 12 years of experience parallelly along with my main job, I'm having the 8 years of experience by giving the skill development training across the world. That is my passion. And I'm an international speaker in the field of AI/ML, and I have filed 4 patents till date, out of which 70 certification I filed in the field of AI/ML. After that, about my industrial association, I'm currently associated as a senior data scientist at in Sophie Bangalore, as well as CTO at IIDT Bangalore. Other than that, I'm associated as a mentor with multiple universities and the companies across the world, in which I am associated as a guest faculty with AI/ML BITS Pilani. With Blackbucks engineer, I'm associated as a mentor. I'm associated as a mentor with IIT Guwahati, Regenesis Business School, South Africa, and with multiple universities across the India and the world. Whatever the small work I have been done, I have been awarded with these 4 awards. And that means this awards motivates me a lot to do something better for the society. In this award, I have been rewarded as a Best Inspirational Scientist Award for one of the research work. Then I have been awarded as an Excellent in Research Award again. And both of the research work is in the field of data science and machine learning. And then I have been awarded as a Best Corporate Trainer Award, as well as Best Design and the Innovation Award. This is a short overview about me. Now let's start the main topic of the discussion today. That is the world of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. And why I am using this 4 words? Because the meaning and the responsibility and the job opportunity of all 4 words are different. But all 4 words are under the one umbrella called as data. So let's go ahead on that. So please concentrate carefully. In the very first slide, I ask you that ask 3 questions to yourself whenever you are trying to learn new technology. Now, when I am talking about data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence technology, so these 3 questions will become like this. What is data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, and why it is so much famous in the market? You should know the answer of this. Second important question, why all the multinational companies, small scale companies, government organization are using data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI in their business problem? And what is the impact of this technology in your day-to-day life? How your parents, grandparents are using this technology, and so on. And the last important question is, then what is the skill set required to learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI? And after upgrading those skill set, how as an individual I will get a job in the market in terms of the world of artificial intelligence, how I can become an entrepreneur, how I can go for the research work. I will answer all this question. So let's begin with that. Now concentrate very carefully. As I'm always like to interact with the candidates and the audience, I don't want to give the one-sided webinar and seminar. In this slide, there is one heading written new normal in the technology. Okay. I want to ask all the audience, have you people heard new normal word before in any context? Any context. Can you people let me know? Have you people heard the new context word? Yeah, be interactive with me, candidate. Okay. You didn't heard that new normal word in any context before? Okay, answer will be either yes or no. Just give your answer. Okay, please tell me. I'm waiting for your response. Okay, wearing a mask. Very good. Yeah, you heard there, I guess. Any other answer? Yes or no? Answer will be either yes or no. Okay, guys. Due to the time limitation, I will give the answer. You people might be heard about the new normal word like this. COVID is a new normal. Okay, COVID is a new normal. So what is the exact meaning of new normal word? New normal means what? Anything which is coming new to the world and becoming normal very easily. So COVID came in 2020 and up to 2022, we people are habitual of living with COVID. Same thing in the world of new normal in the technology. Artificial intelligence is a new normal technology from the implementation point of view. It becomes so much compulsory part of every company that every companies are using this technology. Okay. And I am going to explain you how. Now concentrate on this equation. On this slide, either Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, NASA, IBM, all the big giant companies in the world or small scale companies in the world, those who are working in the field of artificial intelligence, they are working on this equation. This is called as the engine of every project. And how we are defining that? So concentrate. We are telling to the industry, hey, adding data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI to any X, you are going to get business and a profit. Again, I'm repeating, adding data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI to any X, you are going to get a profit. Now, again, one question to audience. Can you people please tell me what do you think this X is about? Any suggestion from your end? What do you think that this X is about? I want to know opinion from your end. What do you think as a learner? What is this X about? Tell me, because if you are thinking I will come to know, it is more easier for us to enjoy this technology. Tell me. Okay, some people are answering tools and technology. Okay, very good. After that, any other answer? Please let me know. What do you mean by S? Domain knowledge. Okay. Programming tool. Domain knowledge programming. Okay. Great, great. You people are going great. I appreciate all the answers because you people are bringing your thinking out. Okay. So no worry. Now let's talk about what do you mean by X. X is very easy, guys. X means any industry. X means any industry. So take an example. Healthcare industry. So healthcare industry is approaching the IT company, those who are working in AI, and healthcare is asking the example, hey, can you please make one product or application which will predict the person will have cancer or not? So IT company, which is having the AI knowledge, healthcare company, that is industry, is approaching us and they are telling to form one product. So here X means any industry in the market. So for example, as I said, healthcare. So with the help of AI technology, the problem of healthcare industry, we are solving with the help of AI to make one product, for example, mobile app. And that mobile app will predict whether the person will have cancer or not. So with the help of that mobile app, healthcare company is going to make a business. Same thing, bring agricultural industry in place of X. So with the help of AI technology, we are solving the problem of agricultural industry. For example, we are making the AI enabled drone. So among the farm, okay, of the farmers, that drone will put a seed according to given condition. This will solve so many problems of the farmer. And with the help of drone, companies are making the business. You put automobile in place of X, we can make driverless car. You put banking in place of X, we can make app which will predict whether to give loan or not. So the guys, X means any industry in the world. And whenever we are talking about any industry, so I would like to say one very important statement here. No industry left in the world, those who are not using the AI. So you can imagine the demand of AI technology in the market. So finally, I would like to conclude this slide is that whenever we people are doing any project in the company with the help of AI, So to make any successful project, there are two-person contribution. One is we people with the field of AI, and one where we are applying AI. Either we are applying in healthcare sector, so we need doctors for help. We are applying banking sector, we will need banking professional for help. That is called as a domain knowledge. So this is the engine of our project. Once we understood this, how AI will make a business, that I'm going to guide you now, and how we are going to get the job in the industry. So as other technologies also, that is called as IoT. IoT in combination of AI, we are making the smart devices, we are making the smart cities, and so on. And might be you heard also government of India is planning to make smart cities. AI ML is the one of the most demanded person required. The person, those who are having the knowledge of that. Same thing, cyber security. With the help of AI, we are forming so many products in the field of cyber security. So you can imagine that among all the other demanding technology also, AI is on the top. With the help of other demanding technology, we are forming the product. Same thing with blockchain, AI is used and to give a product. So the thing is that today I'm going to give the entire overview about what is the world of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, exact meaning of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, how we inside the company are working on the project, what skill sets required, what tools we are using. After upgrading all skill set and tools, what kind of job opportunity you will get in the market, and everything in a so much easy way. So let's go ahead. As I told you, I am an international speaker. I am giving my talk across the world. And this is the very famous question I am getting from the participant. Participant, either the working professional, those who are from technical and non-technical background, or either the student, those who are from the versatile background. So this is the most favorite question I am getting. Who can learn data science? So to give the answer of this question, I am having something very interesting thing to show you people. And what is that? Let's talk about. Please concentrate on this slide. In this slide on the top left, he is Mr. Siddharth Pillai, and he is from Hyderabad. In 2019, I was also in Hyderabad. I was working as a research scientist. So in 2019 in Hyderabad, one news viral. And what is that news? That one 7th standard student in 2019 become a data scientist. Company has selected him as a data scientist. Initially, I thought this is a fake news. But when so many news channel has taken his interview and so many newspaper has published the article, then we came to know this is a real news. And he is from Hyderabad. You can also search in Google, you will get the answer. 7th standard student selected as a data scientist. On the top right, he is Mr. Tanmay Bakshi, 16-year-old boy. Why I am telling the age? Because I will let you know why. So 16-year-old boy, very famous in the world, because NASA, Google, IBM, every top giant company inviting him to give the talk. He is the youngest TEDx speaker and AI researcher currently with IBM company. On the bottom left, he is Mr. Sarang Sumesh, 8-year-old boy, 8-year. Okay, please concentrate on my wording, 8-year-old boy. His episode has been telecast in History News channel for 1 hour. He's from India. And why it is so much famous? Because at the age of 8 years, he is making artificial intelligence robot. And he is the youngest TEDx speaker. At the age of 8 years, AI robot he is making. Again, on the bottom right, I got shocked when I came to know about him. He is Mr. Arham Om Talsania. His name has been recorded in Guinness World of Record. What is the reason behind that? He is a 6.5-year-old boy when he has recorded his record in Guinness World of Record. And the reason is he is the youngest in the world who has cracked Microsoft Python examination at the age of 6.5-year-old. He has recorded his name in the Guinness World of Record. And like that, there are many examples. Why I am showing this example to you? Because participants are approaching us and they are telling us, sir, I am from mechanical background. Whether it is possible for me to learn data science or not. Sir, I am from commerce background. Sir, I am from textile background. Sir, I am from electronics background. Now, instead of you people asking me question, I am asking counter question to all of you. This children is having any background or not? Tell me. Who is from commerce background? Who is from electronics background? Who is from mechanical background? Does these children, those who are in the school right now, is having any background or not? I want to know from the participant. Tell me. Either answer is yes or no. Does this children is having any background? Then why you people are bringing background? One question to all of you. These small children is not having any background. They can able to learn this technology. Then we people are bringing our background in front with no reason. And we are asking the question whether it is possible or not. So guys, answer is very simple. Nowadays, we are living in such a world. Please concentrate on my wording. Anyone from any corner of the world can learn any skill set and can do any job. Simple and sober. Anyone from any corner of the world can learn any skill set and can do any job. So the answer of this question is very simple. Either you are a student from technical background or non-technical background, or either you are a working professional from technical background or non-technical background. You can learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, and I will prove you. Don't worry. And school-going kids can learn that, because government of India has already given notification to all the schools of India to teach data science from 8th standard to 12th standard. So you can imagine upcoming generation will be very versatile. If you will not learn, they will throw you out. So learn it. So right time it, you are already late. Start it from today. Okay. So the thing is simple. Now let's concentrate that. Why should I learn data science? Okay. Why? Again, very simple answer. Every multinational companies, small scale companies, and government organization are collecting data every day with them. Every day they are collecting data. Whatever data they have collected, now they want that this data give them a business. So converting data into business is the world of data science. That means we are transforming every industry with the help of data into business, and industry is getting benefit from that. So the thing is that because of this reason, we are transforming the data into business. Every multinational company has declared that data is a new fuel of 21st century, because we are solving so many problems of every industry with the help of available data, and we are solving that problem of demand and supply. So because of this reason, company has declared data science is the attractive career. It is changing the world and it is a future technology. So companies are in the search of those people like you when you will learn data science skill set. So as you are having that knowledge to convert data into business, company in search of you. Company want you people. Hey, please let me know how we are going to convert data into business. So how we are going to convert that, I'm going to guide you now. So that is the reason we people are going to learn the data science, because our responsibility is to convert data into business. Data is collected by company. So on this part, the technical definition of data science, you will not find in internet and book that we have developed is this. What is data science? Simple and sober. Data science is nothing but science of data to make a business. That is making data work for you people. Okay. Now you are having two questions might be, how we are going to make business and what kind of science of data you are talking about. Okay. These two questions you are having in mind. So let's give the answer of this question very easy way. So actually, as I said, companies are collecting data. That kind of data we people are calling as a raw data. Okay, just company has collected that. So we people inside the company, we are applying science on that raw data. And what is that science? The science is the skill set. What is that skill set? As a data science professional, you should know one of the programming language called Python, which is learned by school kids. So you cannot ask the question that whether it is possible for me to learn or not. You can learn it. Okay, irrespective of any background. Then you will learn mathematics, that to school level. Then data visualization, algorithms and all. I will come on that part. So science means skill set. When we are applying our science on the data, data will give you information. And from that information, business leader of the company are taking some decision for the growth of the company. So simple and sober. Okay. So data is converted to information because of the word skill set called science. And from that information, business leaders are taking the decision for the growth. In that term, I am having the habit to teach the technology from the word also. So data science, break the data science into two parts. Data is separate and science is separate. What do you mean by data? According to the world, data means information. And information is categorized into three major terms: structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. What do you mean by structured data? Structured data means Excel sheet. if your college has collected information of student in Excel sheet in a well formatted way, structured data. What do you mean by unstructured data? Data available in the form of images, video, audio, and the text. It is unstructured data. So it has been said that out of 100% data which is available in the world currently, 80 to 85% data is unstructured data. That is data available in the form of images, video, audio, and the text is more in the world. So this is the volume of data currently. So what we people inside the company, we people are applying science to that. That I already told you, it is a skill set. So this kind of data is giving hidden information to us. And finally, from that hidden information, we are taking the business decision for growth. So the conclusion is very simple. Company is having the raw data. We are applying science to raw data. That raw data will either give you hidden information or some research knowledge. From both, companies are making the business. This is the world of data science. Converting data into information, and from information take a decision to grow. That is the world of data science, and you people should know how to convert data into information. Then you will be the demanded person in the market right now. Okay, so the things is very simple. Now one question to all of you guys. Okay, please concentrate carefully. I am constantly telling that companies are collecting the raw data, companies are collecting the raw data. Can anyone tell me from where the companies are collecting the raw data? Tell me that. Please have an interaction on this. I want to know this. Anyone? Can you people tell me from where the companies are collecting raw data? Some is calling us from the users. Okay, great. After that, tell me. Open your mind, guys, because you are a part of this world. From where the companies are collecting raw data? From the past transactions. Very good. From the business and the industry. Very good. After that, any other answer? From where companies are collecting raw data? By the research team from many sources. Okay, great, great. All are going in the good direction. From the true caller. Okay, very good. I like that you are giving the answer and I appreciate all the answer. Okay, let me give the answer. Okay. What if I will tell you, you people, your parents, your grandparents are responsible for generating the data. Companies are collecting the data from us. I am and you people are responsible for generating the data. My parents, my grandparents, everyone is generating the data intentionally and unintentionally, online and offline every day. How? Let's see. Every day I am messaging the message in WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, other social media. I am writing the message in that. Every day might be possible I am uploading the images in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, other social media. I am uploading the videos as well in the Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, other social media. Might be possible every day I am booking the cab from going here and there. I am ordering the food from Zomato. I am booking the hotels from the app. And I am doing the online shopping with the help of e-commerce website called Flipkart and Amazon. Okay. Whatever activity I am doing, I am generating the data. I am generating the data. Companies are collecting the data from you, your parents, from your grandparents. So we all are responsible for generating the data. For example, please let me know how you observe this activity or not. Tell me, you people are having Amazon app or not? Tell me that. In your mobile, do you have Amazon app? You are having? Tell me, have you observed this activity before or not? Go to Amazon app today after my session. Go to one of the product which you people like the most. Go to one of the product which you like the most. View that product. Don't purchase the product. Just view that product. But don't purchase that. Come out of the Amazon app. After 1 and 2 hours, go to Gmail, Facebook, here and there. You will find that same product or the similar kind of product is highlighted in other app in the form of advertisement to motivate you people to purchase that product. Have you ever observed this activity or not? Tell me. Observed? Yes, I have also observed, as you observed. This is the data science. You are under observation. Whatever activity you people are doing, companies are observing you 24/7. Google knows where I am right now. Company knows what I am doing. And it is not wrong to say, if you are having the Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram account, so you people has given 0.0000 some percentage contribution to make Mark Zuckerberg one of the richest person of the world, because every day you people are giving huge volume of data to the Mark Zuckerberg free of cost. And from your data, Mark Zuckerberg is making the business. Okay. So this is the entire game of data. We people are generating the data free of cost. Companies are collecting our data to make a business. And the last example before going ahead, how you observe this or not, tell me. I am having the Facebook account. Nowadays, Facebook is doing this activity. 1 month before, when I opened the Facebook, I came to know one message from the Facebook, your profile is 30% complete. Okay, 30% complete. I got shocked. Oh my God, 30% complete, what I did. So when I opened that, so Facebook is asking me to complete it 100%, give these answers, or sorry, give the answer of this question. I said, okay, next. So Facebook is asking me, do you like traveling? I said, yes. Then again, hill station, other options came, I selected. Then when I put next, so 40% complete, I got very happy. Oh my God, now 40% complete. Then again, Facebook is asking me, do you like food? I said, yes. Which kind of food? Indian food, Chinese food, this. I selected the option. Again, next, Facebook is asking me, do you like music? I said, yes. Which music? And so. So like that, next, profile 100% complete, I am satisfied. Because we are living in the world of digitalness today. Okay, we are impacted. If our social media is having some challenges, so we are impacted. So we are completing that. So after that, when I have given entire information to Facebook, so indirectly Facebook has collected all behavioral information of mine in free of cost by asking these questions. And the moment when I fill up all the information, next day, I was getting the ad of Uti with all my favorite food and all my favorite music kind of information. And it is very hard for me to avoid that. And when I'm going for that, I'm purchasing the package for Uti with my favorite food and my favorite music during the journey. Okay, business has been done. Business has been done. This is the world of data science. With your area of interest, with your own data, companies are making the business. Have you observed this or not? Tell me. Every day you are a part of this life. Intentionally, unintentionally, you people are under the world of AI and data science. Agreed or not? We are living in the data-driven world. Surrounded by data, you are captured by the data. Agreed or not? Tell me that. Very good. So you agreed. So answer is very simple. We all are under observation. We all people, our parents, grandparents, intentionally, unintentionally, generating huge volume of data online and offline. Because of this reason, every company has declared that data is the new oil, information, and the asset of today's world. We are living in the industry revolution 4.0, which is declared as data-driven world. We are living in such a world which is driven by data. So any technology which is data dependent is the famous technology. AI, ML, data dependent, famous technology. Cyber security, IoT, blockchain, Salesforce, famous technology. But on the top of all, AI is on the top. AI is on the top. So this is that world, guys. So the finally, now I am going to prove you logically how data science is impacting everyone. Let's concentrate on that. Now this slide is telling about the information of Indian education system. Our Indian education system are broadly divided into 3 categories: commerce, science, and arts. Tell me, guys, logically I am asking the question. Tell me, commerce education in India and the industry related to commerce in the world is having data with them or not? Tell me. Think logically. Tell me. Does commerce education and the commerce industry across the world is having data with them? Yes or no? Think. 5 seconds, 10 seconds and give the answer. Data is there, obviously. So data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI is applicable to all commerce industry and commerce education. Because of this reason, I don't know have you observed or not, all the top MBA colleges of the world has started giving 2-year degree program in data analytics and machine learning. All IIMs of India is giving the program. Observed or not? Please tell me. Yes, observed. I have observed. They are giving the program. So I can give the conclusion. Yes, commerce background student can also learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI simple and sober. Think logically, okay? Don't believe on any rumors in the market. Those who are telling that data science can be a field of computer science. If you find such a person, run 100 kilometers away from that person. He is misguiding you. Okay. Again, one question. Tell me logically, arts education in India and the industry related to arts in the world is having the data with them or not? Tell me that. Is having the data. So data science, machine learning, deep learning is applied in arts industry. We people are solving the projects of commerce and arts industry with the help of AI. So it clearly indicates that people from the arts industry can able to learn data science and machine learning very easily. I am having the proof also in my own team in my company. A person from B.Ed and M.Ed and then MBA is working as a data scientist in my company. I can make you the talk also with that. So thing is very simple. And the last famous question is science, medical and our engineering. Obviously, in our medical and science, we people are having the data. So data science and machine learning is applicable in medical and science both. So now, if we will talk about the engineering, these are the various engineering branches: mechanical, civil, textile, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, computer science and arts. Same question to everyone. Might be you people are from this background. Tell me logically, all these engineering branches and the industry related to these branches in the market is having data with them or not? Tell me. Yes, we are doing interaction, guys. I want an interactive session. Tell me. Is having data? Everyone agreed? Agreed they are having data? Yes, guys, they are having data. Hence, we people in the industry are applying AI technology to mechanical department problem statement. And we are giving the solution to make the product with the help of AI technology. And nowadays, we are living in such a need world. Every branches, every company are having the data and they are solving so many projects in that own industry with the help of AI. Hence, there is a huge demand of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI in the world. Are you people agreed with or not? I am everything talking logically. I am not talking illogically right now. I can prove you also. Agreed or not? Tell me. Whatever we are talking makes sense or not? That every industry is having data, every education industry is having the data, data science and machine learning is applicable. Hence, this is very clear as for now. Agreed or not? Tell me that if you are from the commerce background also, is this possible to learn data science or not? Tell me. That then is our duty. How you can learn that next path we will guide you. On mental background I'm talking about. Tell me, agreed or not? Can we learn data science or not? If small children is learning, then why you can't learn? Obviously you can learn. Now next question. Take it means in a very good way. If you remember my first slide, AI plus X is equal to business. I talk about X. X means any industry. So these are all various industry. Take it. Healthcare, aviation, finance, retail, automobile, social media, agriculture. Tell me logically, you only tell. I am not telling. These all industries having data or not? Tell me. If all industries having the data, we are applying AI ML to that to solve the business problem. Answer is clear. Now your people mind is open now. Every industry in the world is having data. Every education is having data. So anyone sitting in any corner of the world can learn the data science skill set and can do the job in that. Simple and sober. Very clear. And those who are misguiding you, that you are from mechanical background cannot learn data science. I can show you 1,000 example of mechanical engineer, those who are working as data scientists. Anyone coming in front of you telling that you are from commerce background, don't learn data science, first of all, bring that person in front of us. This is your duty. And then we will do one press conference and ask that person, prove that this person cannot become data scientist, prove that. And I will prove the 1,000 example that background from commerce are learning the data scientist. So guys, please open your mind. You are a matured guy. Don't believe on the rumors. Okay. So let's go ahead for that. See, all these industries having the data science and machine learning, simple and sober. So in fact, I will say reverse, no industry left in the world, those who are not using data science and machine learning. Got it? So the thing is that up to this slide, what we learned, data science is such a field which is collecting the huge volume of data from the industries. And we people are applying some science on that data. So that data will give you some hidden information. And from that hidden information, we people are taking the business decision for the growth. Simple and sober. This is data science. Okay. Now I will introduce 3 more words: machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. What is their duty? Concentrate carefully. We are going in a very sequence wise. So this is the data science. So again, before going ahead, one question I would like to ask all of you. Actually, one information I would like to give you. If you will search in the Google machine learning and artificial intelligence, you will come to know that machine learning and artificial intelligence is already introduced to the world in the year of 1959. We are in 2022 today. Then why not this technology was famous from 1959 to 2000? Why it is famous from this last 10 years? Any logical answer, guys? Because this we are asking interview question also. Why this technology is only famous today? Why not 1959 to that term? So answers are coming now. There is no data. Okay, very good. Right answer. Absolutely right. Other answer? Anyone? Please tell me any other answer. This is not interview, guys. This is just an interaction we are doing. Whatever you are thinking, just throw it out. Write down in the chat window. Tell me. What might be the reason why this technology is famous today? Why not it was famous from 1959 to 2022? Any other answer? I will wait for 10 seconds. Tell me. Less scope of technology, no internet. Very good. All are correct answer. Very good. Data was not that properly. Okay, great, great. You all are giving the right answer. Great. Okay, so the answer is very correct. You have given the answer. We are living in such a world that today easily availability of data is there on a single click. Someone is posting the post in Facebook. We are having the option like the post, share the post, comment the post. Data is generated. You are generating huge volume of data. Once huge volume of data is generated, we should have powerful computer system to save that data. So when I am talking about powerful computer system, so powerful memory and the powerful processor. So we are saving that everything. Today we people are having powerful algorithm. Now when I am introducing the word algorithm, machine learning, deep learning is coming into picture now. Now machine learning, deep learning come the word when powerful algorithm we are talking about. And then finally we are having open source software tool. So because of these 4 reasons, we all people inside the industry are using data science, machine learning, and AI effortlessly. Okay, because these are the reason to make them famous. So now algorithm word has been introduced. So deep learning and machine learning came into picture. So to bring that into picture, we are having the smart roadmap to learn this technology. And this is that roadmap. Concentrate carefully. If you want to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning, you want to follow this ladder. And the beauty of this ladder is that ladder wise jobs are available in the market step by step. So artificial intelligence 5 ladder building. Okay. So in that 5 ladder, the very first step, first ladder is the programming language, which school students are learning. Okay. So out of AI, in the AI language, there are more than 10 programming language available in the world. But out of all 10, Python is one of the top language. Very easy to learn. So we will be learning at the first stage Python language. Then at the second ladder, we are going to learn mathematics, which is of 10th standard. Then we are going to learn data visualization. and data cleaning step. So with the knowledge of Python, mathematics, data visualization, and data cleaning knowledge, we people are going to read the data of any industry and we are going to clean that data. Clean. Some error will be there, we will remove that. That person is called as a data analyst in the company. Okay. So second ladder, we are going to do that. Output of second ladder is going to the input of third, that is machine learning. This is sequential. Always remember, machine learning depend on output of data analyst. Output of data analyst is what? Clean data. Clean data. Okay. Now machine learning means world of algorithm. Here we people are applying algorithm to the clean data. Algorithm is already made, guys. You are not going to make algorithm. You are only have to learn what is this algorithm, how it works, and when to apply this algorithm to proper situation. That knowledge you should have. That's it. You are not going to make algorithm. Algorithm is already made. You are going to use that algorithm under proper situation. So machine learning means applying suitable algorithm to the clean data. So algorithm will learn from the clean data and output will be the model for predictions. And this person in the company is called as, depending on company to company, data scientist or machine learning engineer. Anyone can learn that. Same thing, deep learning is also the same picture. Algorithm world, when the problem is in the form of images and video, so deep learning we are applying. Same thing, algorithm is there in the deep learning, learn from the data, output is a model. So here you will get the job of data scientist. Once deep learning has been done, door of AI will open, because AI depend on deep learning, machine learning. Deep learning, machine learning depend on data analyst, and data analyst depend on Python. So here's step by step path. So artificial intelligence world will open, and artificial intelligence is very simple. Word itself indicate artificial intelligence. Break into two parts. Artificial and intelligence means what? We are providing intelligence to machine artificially. That means we are creating intelligent machine. Artificial intelligence, we are creating intelligent machine which behave like us. So Alexa is the example of AI product. Robots are the example of AI product. Sophia robot, chatbot in the website are the example of that product, and so on. So this is the step-by-step ladder, guys. And this is step-by-step ladder, as I told you, see the interconnected activity. First, data will come. Data analyst will clean the data. Clean data is given to machine learning and deep learning team. They are going to apply algorithm to the data. Algorithm is giving the predictions. Predictions are working properly, give to the AI team. They will convert this prediction into intelligent machine. Simple and sober. Step-by-step guidance. And all these things you are going to learn in your IIT program. Okay. All this, you are going to learn it. In fact, in the starting of the video, starting of the session, you have seen the video. There are so many labs has been shown. Every facility is available here with the Blackbuck engineers and the colleges. You are going to learn all this part step by step. It's so that you should have a certain skill set and you can able to get a job in the market. So the answer is very simple. Now this is the one of the most important slide. If you understood this, entire picture will be clear. Whatever we are learning till now, with the combination of this slide, you can able to answer non-technical to any person what is AI. Now concentrate. This project we are calling, sorry, this diagram we are calling as an end-to-end project flow in the industry. So data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. Okay. And I am going to explain this project with the help of simple example. You are only going to give me the answer of this. Concentrate. Let's imagine you all and me are working as a data scientist in a company. And one healthcare industry came and they given us project diabetes prediction. So company has given the project, hey, can you prepare a machine learning model to prepare the person is having diabetes or not? So I want to ask you this question, that whenever we want to work on this world, data science and machine learning, and this project is diabetes prediction. So we should have the past data of the diabetes patient first, because it depends on data. Okay. So I want to ask one question to you. From where we will get the diabetes patient data? Can you able to tell me? Because we want to do this project. Company has given this project. Diabetes prediction. So from where we will get the diabetes patient data? from the hospitals. Very good. You are giving the answer. Now tell me guys, if I will send any one of you, go to your city hospital and ask them give the diabetes patient data, they will give you data? They will give you? No, they will not give you data. They will ask who you are. Okay, who you are. So the thing is that no one will give the data. And but irony of the picture is that we people are giving our data free of cost. You are giving free of cost your data to Facebook. You are giving the free of cost your data to other companies. Whenever you are downloading any app, that app is asking, hey, allowed to share your gallery, allowed to share your contact. You are giving free of cost. But when we want, no one will give data. So to solve this issue, our company and that medical hospital, from where data we will get, will have the legal tie-up first. Okay. After legal tie-up, then hospitals are ready to give you diabetes patient data. Now concentrate carefully. The responsibility of collecting the data related to project from the various sources of the market with the help of various tools and technology of our company is a big data engineering team in this diagram, that is block A. Block A responsibility is to collect the data from the sources, store the data, maintain and the security of the data. Big data engineering. And for this purpose, they are having the skill set called as cloud computing, SQL, Hadoop, and Python language. Once the data is available of diabetes patient in our company computer, then responsibility of part number B will start. Part number B, first thing is data analyst team. As I told, company collected raw data of diabetes patient. Now, data analyst will clean that data with the help of Python language, mathematics, data visualization, and data cleaning steps. They are going to clean the data of diabetes patient. Once the data has been cleaned of diabetes patient, the clean data is given to part number B, second team, machine learning and deep learning team. This team will apply algorithm because this team is algorithm. This team will apply algorithm to that clean data of diabetes patient and algorithm will learn from that. And after learning from the algorithm, data will give the information as output, that is a model. So this model will have hidden information. If this is the input of the patient, patient will have diabetes. If this is the input of the patient, patient will not have diabetes. And from this model only companies are making business. But this model is available in our computer. So what is the responsibility of part number C? This part number C deployment team is converting the model which is in my computer to the real-time application called as mobile app or website. Let's assume we have converted to mobile app. So model is converted to mobile app. Now mobile app is available in the Play Store of the world. Every person can download that app and use that. Business has been done. So this is called as end-to-end project flow inside the company. And the person, those who know ABC, is called as full stack data scientist in the company. Full stack data scientist in the company. And everything you are going to learn in the program with the help of Blackbuck engineers and IIDT college. Everything is covered there in the syllabus. So the thing is very simple, guys. The takeaway, what we have learned, that any business problem of any industry, we are calling as the project name. Then we will collect the data related to project. After that, we are going to clean the data with the help of that EDA is written. Then we will apply algorithm, that is machine learning and deep learning. Output will come of the algorithm as a model. We will test that model. If working properly, we will go for deployment and monitor that. This is called as the end-to-end process we are doing in the world of AI ML. Okay. And once it is very clear to all of you, then these are the skill set required. What is skill set required? One programming language called Python. In this diagram, computer science is written. It does not have relation with computer science branch. Computer science means one programming language, and whatever the computer hardware knowledge you are having, what should be the RAM, hard disk, that only. Okay. Then mathematics of schools, then data cleaning, data visualization, and algorithm knowledge. This is the compulsory knowledge we are expecting. And domain expertise, which is written, is optional. Which industry? Domain, which industry? Healthcare industry, agricultural industry, and all. So we are not a Superman, guys. Okay. Even though I am not having the domain knowledge of all domain, no one is have that. No person in the world will have that. So except domain knowledge, other part you want to learn it. So once you have this skill set, So as I told, after learning Python, you are going to learn this all libraries of the Python. Then you are going to learn machine learning types. These are the algorithm types: supervised learning, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement. Just for the information I'm showing, I don't want to go in deep. These are the machine learning algorithm you are going to learn in the program. You are going to learn the deep learning architecture in the program, perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, and so on. With the help of deep neural network, you are going to form the application called as image classification, object detection, facial recognition, thumb recognition, voice recognition, and so on. This project is coming in deep learning, Alexa, and so on. All this project here. Okay. After that, the door of AI will open, and there are the three type of AI, which is very interesting slide. Concentrate carefully. There are the three type of AI in the company: artificial, weak intelligence, strong intelligence, and super intelligence. What I said, what is our duty in the company? To make intelligent machine which behave like us. So there is a comparison between machine intelligence and human intelligence. In both the comparison, we came to know machine intelligence is far, far ahead than human intelligence in many categories. For example, faster mathematical calculation, faster memory capacity. Machine can remember infinite mobile number. We cannot remember 50 mobile number also. So like that. After that, we human are far, far ahead than machine intelligence in many categories. For example, we can feel the taste of food, machine cannot. We can feel the emotions, machine cannot. So on the overall comparison, currently in the world, we human intelligence win the race. There is no machine available in the world currently with the help of AI also, which can beat human intelligence. That kind of intelligence is called as artificial narrow and weak intelligence. Artificial narrow and weak intelligence. But scientists are trying their level best. They are optimistic. They will say that they are saying that one day will come where machine intelligence is equal to human intelligence. That will call as a strong intelligence, artificial strong intelligence. Future it will come. Again, scientists are very optimistic. One day will come where machine intelligence will overtake human intelligence. That will be called as the artificial super intelligence. And you have watched so many Hollywood movies on that machine intelligence overtook that. These are the AI world, guys. So the finally, according to me, what is data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI? Data science means data analysis. Machine learning and deep learning means apply algorithm to the clean data, learn from that. Output is a prediction. And AI means to make intelligent machine. So see, the picture is clear. Data analysis is different. Machine learning, deep learning is algorithm. AI is to make intelligent machine. So this is an art, guys. So data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI is an art of converting data into clean data, converting that clean data into predictions with the help of machine learning, deep learning, converting prediction into intelligent machine with the help of AI. And you have to become an artist of that. And to become the artist, you should have certain weapon, resources, tools. And these all are the tools we have discussed. We should know Python. We should know mathematics. We should know data visualization. Okay, data visualization means observing the graph with the help of tool called Python or Tableau and so on. We should know algorithms and we should know cloud computing. All these are available in this slide. And we are going to learn this. After learning this, these are the college level mathematics. We are going to learn in the entire program. Statistics, probability, this. Once we learn that, these are the job roles which we discuss. Data scientist, machine learning, deep learning, data analyst. So there are a series of jobs. It is up to you what kind of job you will get. And believe me, I am having n number of examples to show you. People from the different background are doing the job as a data scientist in the market. So to test your knowledge, tell me, guys, these are the four major job roles in the company: data engineer, data analyst, machine learning, and data scientist. Tell me, what data engineer will do? Tell me. I have already told you what data engineer will do. Any idea? Data engineer will. Any idea? Great. Go ahead. Collect the raw data. Very good. Now you are giving the right answer. What data analyst will do? Data analyst will clean the data. Machine learning will apply the algorithm, make the model, and data scientist will a powerful person which is a combination of all who is converting data into business. That's it. So once you get that job in the company, guys, then you will make the application for us in the medical industry. You will make the devices like Alexa. You will make a robot like a Sophia robot. You will make Boston Dynamic robots. You will make a automatic machine translation from one language to another system, instance visual translation, one picture in another language. You can make an application to convert that language into your language. Automatic driverless car you can make. Uber, Ola is using this technology. Zomato is using an infinite example, guys, infinite. So that's all. You are going to learn that. And this is my final slide, challenges of the world of data science. So we came to know very clearly, to work in the world of data science, you want data. And our challenge in the industry, we are not getting quality data. Second challenge, we are not getting skilled manpower like you people. Suppose you will learn very clearly this technology, so you will be called as a skilled person. We want you. And many a time, many companies are not giving access to the data of the same employee of the same company, privacy issue and so on. So these are all that part. So thank you very much, guys. That's all from my end today. If you are having any doubt, I'm open for the doubt solving session now. Please let me know what kind of doubt you people are having and let me know that. Any doubt now? We are open for the doubt solving session.
What is the role of web technologies in the world of data science is the question, Arpit.
Okay, let me know. See, web technology is coming in the part of model deployment. Suppose whatever the projects we are doing, suppose someone is asking me, hey, can you make me a website which will predict the person is having the brain tumor or not? So web technology will come at the part of model deployment in the world of data science, Pritham. Okay. So the thing is that I will make a backend, I will make a model for prediction of brain tumor. Now that is available in my computer. When I am converting that model in the form of website, because client want website, at that part, model deployment, web technology will come into picture. Are you getting?
I don't know why Pritham doesn't understand. We are living in a web world. Without understanding web technologies, we can't do anything. And you cannot also ask a company to work only in Python.
Yes.
You can, the company will ask you to work with Excel. The company will ask you to work with technologies like JavaScript. Use JavaScript visualization tools. That's what they will say.
Yes, for the model deployment.
You cannot ask the company to work on the tools that you know. So it is very necessary. There is no world without web technologies. The world is web technologies, within which we are trying to learn a few things. Okay. So let us go into speaking to a lot of students who are waiting today. So to understand what should they take as next steps for their postgraduate programs. So this is students who want to have a very bright future. Definitely what Arpit sir has just mentioned, data science is the future. Everything is based on data. Every decision that a business makes, a company makes for which you work, that company understands, even if it is a service-based company like Wipro or Infosys, they track the data of their employees. Every company is dependent on the data that the employees generate, the customers generate, government generates, everything is dependent on data. So the future is 100% bright for students who want to do post-graduation in data science. So students, before I get into detail about you, I want to know about you so that I can really suggest you the best options to for your next steps. So first question I have to you is, Is there any person who is working now? I mean, you are part of Infosys, or you are part of Wipro, or you are part of a data science company already? Is there anybody who is working already? Please type yes or no. Are you working right now? Yes or no? No. Okay, most of the answers that I'm getting, even privately, is no. So let us talk to students who are not working currently. So the next question is, which year did you pass out? Which year did you, 2022? Okay. So Hemant passed in 2022. So you're most of them have passed out. Some people probably 2023 they are considering. Okay. You are passing out in 2023. All right. Waiting for onboarding to Capgemini and Infosys. Arjun, you must be knowing now they have frozen placements. Even after they gave offers to students last year, because they have really overfilled their positions. So even for the current positions, they've asked students to resign. And secondly, they've also asked them, if you want to continue, move to BPO. That's what they have asked. So be very cautious on your next steps, Arjun. Okay, Divya Prashanti is working. Okay, fine. So Prashanti, I'll make it a little bit relevant to you also. So let us go to the next question that I have. Did you understand from the previous session the importance of data science? Yes or no? Okay, Arjun has understood. Rest of the students, let us be quick. We are 12:15, so we'll have to be very, very quick for the next steps. We'll close by 12:30, so be quick in your answers so that we can be really, okay, that's great. Okay, so just to give you a brief background about myself, my name is Anuradha Tota, and I've worked in most of the companies that you will work in. I worked in Satyam, it's called Tech Mahindra now. I worked in Wipro, I worked in Microsoft. Then I took a break and did MBA from ISB, which is top 11 in the world. So after that, I've started my own organization. Some of you must be knowing me already. Okay, so let's quickly get into next steps. So first thing you'll have to understand is, as I just told Arjun, there is a lot of job cut happening. That's because of recession. How many of you heard that there is a recession? Did you hear that there is a recession? Yes. This news is a very interesting news, and the answers are also coming very, very fast to me. So let me show you job cuts. What's happening with job cuts? So if you see the screen, so many job cuts. I am just Google searching in front of you. So many job cuts. So let me check, just we are bothered about India. Let us, job cuts in India. 50% of companies planning job cuts. Okay, so Intel, Byju's or whatever, it is no secret anymore. Everybody wants to do job cuts, and as I said, even silently many companies are cutting. Wipro and all these companies, they're asking either you resign. I was thinking when I spoke to many of my relatives, why are you resigning? It is the first job. They said we are asked to resign. So first thing, or they're asked, given night shifts in BPOs. Okay, so many students are resigning. Your seniors are resigning. Okay, so that is about the downturn. It is really bad. So fresher job market, I've gathered just before I came to this session to speak to you. Just to speak to you, I've gathered some news items here. From technology based to non-technology based jobs, all jobs are getting cut. Okay, Mumbai, in the first open acknowledgement of the hit the IT industry is taking, Mumbai-based IT firm gave 425 employees option to resign. So they don't say we have laid off sometimes, say they'll ask resign, okay? And IT hiring slows down on fears of possible contraction. Hiring for freshers down as talent supply rises. So many people have taken, no, you all know in your college itself, you know, so many students have taken computer science and IT as their specialization. So this is all going in a wrong direction, okay? And your seniors are also leaving their companies which they have taken. So let me tell you about Blackbucks and International Institute of Digital Technologies. Both of them very important at this stage, because the government has started this in taking into account so many very high quality institutions like IITs, or even for that matter, MITs and Stanford, the university in the US. They have studied properly and have designed very high standard post-graduation. So post-graduation at IIDT, okay? So why this is very important at this position is, you have lots of options, okay? Let us see what options you have. Let us go step by step into that. So before going into what options you have, let us talk about little bit about Blackbucks and little bit about IIDT. You have seen the video, and Arpit sir has also mentioned a lot of times about the facilities that we have in IIDT. Okay, so in Blackbucks is established in 2013. Now we are closing 10 years. We have offices in California, Hyderabad, and Tirupati at IIDT. Okay. So who are all associated? I'm sure you all trust how the minister KTR Garu is moving forward Hyderabad in various aspects related to information technology. He is bringing all the latest technologies related companies to Hyderabad, the biggest offshore, that means apart from US, the biggest offshore facilities of Microsoft or Amazon or Intel, AMD, all of these things are in Hyderabad. He is steering the Hyderabad to be the one of the biggest and largest cities of the world, not India, largest cities of the world, which is hosting high technologies. So he has recently visited us, and he is one of the key persons who is encouraging us to give quality education. Next one is Mr. BDR Mohan Reddy Garu. I do not know if you know all this person. BDR Mohan Reddy Garu is the founder and the chairman of Scient. Scient is now probably some 40 to 50,000 employees will be there. If you haven't heard, beyond Infosys, Wipro, and these big companies, this is the next company, Scient. And he is, Mr. BDR Mohan Reddy Garu is advisor to both the chief ministers, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and Chief Minister of Telangana. He's also visited us recently, and he is one of the key persons who spoke to people on number of times on Blackbucks platform. So these are the kind of people associated with Blackbucks. And who is the Director General of International Institute of Digital Technologies? It is Sri Sundar Balakrishna Garu. He is IFS officer. He is also Director General of IIDT as an additional responsibility. He has taken up for promotion of latest technologies in Andhra Pradesh. He is an IAS officer, but he still teaches. Okay, so he is the kind of people you can expect that they will teach, and is associated and is looking forward for the success of the students who join International Institute of Digital Technologies. And another person is me, Anuradha Tota. To give a brief, I have started my IT career in '97, and I've been in US for almost 7 to 8 years in both US and UK, and had headed biggest accounts of Wipro. I also worked for Microsoft, and as I said, in 2009, I have taken a break and did my MBA from ISB, which is world number 11. And after that, I worked as a CEO for another IT organization before I started Blackbucks in 2013. Okay, we are now 10 years old. running pretty strong. So we are the people behind this program that you are talking about. And International Institute of Digital Technologies is where you will be graduating your post-graduation from, which has very good interiors. And we also have, for especially Deepti or Divya, we also have center in JNTU Hyderabad. In JNTU Hyderabad, you can do your post-graduation online, or you can go to JNTU Hyderabad over the weekends to do the program. Whoever 2023 students also, it is mandatory for you to have this additional specialization. What is PG? What is PhD? It is specialization. You are going from learning biology, history, social science into learning maths, physics, chemistry, into learning specific engineering, which is computer science, into next level is specialization into data science or machine learning within computer science. So how you are growing as an individual in your knowledge, in your brain is wide to your becoming specialization. So you are a 2023 student who will get a job, who might not get a job, or a 2020 student who has already got a job, hasn't got a job. Specialization is very key for your career. Okay, so this is where you can do. If you are in Hyderabad, you have a job in Hyderabad, you can still do your post-graduation from a campus. No, I want to do it online, so you can do it online. So you have various options through IIDT. So next, learn from the best. These are the awards that we have got in various places. Lot of awards we get. We didn't see a research-based post-graduation alone happening in IISc in Bangalore is one, and then IIDT is one, where we have lot of research-based activity happening. And also there are a lot of awards that IIDT has received recently. And then you see the faculty, number of faculty who are masters or who are the greatest people in this area. Now you have seen Arpit how he is teaching, but you can also see lots of other faculty. These faculty mostly are available online because they are masters in this area. So you see Mauli, or you see anybody in this, or masters in this area, but is a artificial intelligence PhD from IIT, in spite of having 2 companies of his own in artificial intelligence. So this is the kind of faculty you'll be having. And then about key associations, we are associated with Government of Telangana, Government of Andhra Pradesh, with the JNTUs, with the Computer Society of India, with APSSDC, and also APITA. A lot of APITA representatives are here. We are associated with NASCOM. We are associated with LinkedIn, Facebook, Zoom, and Microsoft Dynamics, Salesforce. Indeed, all these major names we are associated for various purposes. We don't have time, but more than 1,000 companies. So we have trained around 50,000 students till now as Blackbucks. And I can proudly say around 1,000 companies have hired from us. So just in the last month alone, these are the companies that have hired from us. Just in the last month. So 1,000 companies hire from Blackbucks. And coming to most important topic, why we are here, is to discuss various options that you all have. So the most important options that you all have as next steps, if you are looking for a career, is one is post-graduation. You have this post-graduation option, and that is why you are all here. Understand? And then some small short courses. There are many short courses done in Amirpet. Many of the students, unfortunately, follow their friends who themselves are unsuccessful. So my friend has gone to Amirpet and is doing a course in something called, say, I saw J Spiders or Next Wave or things like that. There are certain companies who have managed to popularize themselves in students, and students think that the next step is go to Amirpet or go to KPHB and do this program just for a few days. But who will take care of your placements? Again, you are in the same position. If you do not have a job and you are doing a post-graduation, you are exactly in the same position as you are today after that course. So depends on what you want to do. A short course, I want, say for example, I have 10 years of experience, and with a short course, I know how to do the next steps. Just give me 20 days, 30 days course. After that, I can figure out. That kind of people will be there. For them, short courses are okay. But young people, so you are mainly doing a post-graduation for your next step. So I don't like the current job at Infosys. So this is early careers. So I have 1 year experience, 2 years experience, 3 years experience, or I don't have a job. For those people, having a very structured post-graduation program is very, very essential. Then you have college masters. So I have a question for you. So what did you miss? What did you miss in your graduation? Why probably you haven't got a very, so 8 lakhs jobs or 10 lakhs jobs? So 10 lakhs worth jobs. Why didn't you get that? What were you missing in your college? I want to know that, so that even I will add those if I don't have. We have really found out the best ways. But if you don't have, we'll add programming and communication skills. Okay. What else didn't you have in your college? Real world projects. Okay. Actually, what you lacked, seriousness. You are not serious in your college, but all post-graduation students I see are really very serious. But it is true that students lack programming and communication skills. Very important that you have to communicate when you sit in a interview or when you sit for a job, or even when you join a job. Communication skills are very important. Real world projects are also really very, very, very. Lack of applying knowledge practically, so true. Okay. Now I have a question. You got programming skills, you got communication skills, you got real world projects, you can apply knowledge practically. Is there something still lacking for your next step to get a very high paying job? Is there still something lacking after you get all these things? Okay, students, there is something that you have to have, which is somebody has to bring opportunities to you. There should be a place where people bring lot of opportunities. No proper guidance on placements. True. Somebody is typing me, Jagannath is typing to me privately. Yeah, you don't have proper guidance on placements. How do you prepare from now onwards for next 11 months or 12 months to get into a job? That is very important. So this is very important that you after getting all the required skills, you need proper guidance on placements, and opportunities come onto your desk. Opportunities come to my desk on my laptop that I will be able to readily apply to those. That should be there. That is what you will have to see when you are taking for your next steps. Small short courses, obviously, is for experienced people, not for people who are looking for careers, because who is going to bring you those jobs, those opportunities after short course? No one. I know students, they will do Java course. After that, they will call their parents. Java kadu, Python nechkomanaru. They will do Python. After that, they will do another course. Who will find out jobs and opportunities? That is more important. Small short courses are not for students who are looking for career. It is for experienced people who can figure it out themselves. After a small push, they will figure out themselves, not for jobs, for work in their office. Then college masters that is why I was saying, it is the same, right? Whatever you have missed in your college, you're going to miss again. Masters academic. Masters is mostly academic. In your college, it is academic masters. What do you do as post-graduation in IIDT Blackbucks is something related to your industry knowledge, not the academic knowledge. It's called a professional post-graduation, not academic masters. This is professional post-graduations. Okay. And then there are certain post-graduations targeting executives also. There is something called upgrad, there is something called, there are few things, talent sprint, I think. So there are certain companies which are targeting people with huge experience, but this is a mass market. In a class, there will be 1,000 students or more than that. You do not know. Nobody is giving you that special focus on how to learn. That nobody is giving when you join this targeting executives with more than 5 years of experience. So IIDT Blackbucks has designed this course specifically for students who have passed out from 2022 onwards. That means you just passed out. Or even for 2023 people, you should look at it or write your entrance from January onwards. But for 2022 students, 2022 to before that, say 2019, only for those people, you need really different kind of focus. For that, this post-graduation is designed. Say if you see, how do you decide? If you are starting in the journey towards post-graduation, how do you decide? First, decide on specialization. Is it data science? Is it cybersecurity? Is it something else? Your wish. But I wouldn't say if you are a mechanical engineer or if you are a civil engineer, it will hurt you again if you do your master's in mechanical or civil. First, decide on specialization because opportunities are there in computer science and IT. In computer science and IT, which specialization, decide on that. Consider the length and duration of the program. So in master's, MSc or MTech, if you do, it's 2 years. MCA is also 2 years now, I think. It's 2 years. Things are changing. Imagine if you passed out in 2021, jobs came like floods. Every person got 4-5 jobs. But if you are looking for a job, first 1 year has made all the difference. It is making so much of difficulty now. Even 2022, students were upright, everybody got. 2023 is going to be difficult. It's really going to be very difficult in 2023. So choose a smaller program, like the post-graduation IIDT has designed this 11-month program, not a 2-year program. 2 years will make all the difference. We don't know what will happen. So choose the correct length of the program and investigate the curriculum. Arpit sir has showed you all the curriculum. Look at the curriculum. Is it right or not? Look at the faculty who is going to teach you. Think about your career prospect. These 5 aspects you will have to think about how to choose your next right program. Okay. So next, how to do program at IIDT Blackbucks. How to do program. So some of you know this. You've gone through certain emailers. You know the website. You went to the websites and you know about it. So how to join this program? And first of all, I would like to understand how do you differentiate the top colleges, say IITs or IIT or IIDT from rest of the colleges? How do you differentiate? So Arpit has just mentioned from rest of the colleges. We do placements, right? The colleges, the companies ask us, give us tier 1 college students, tier 2 college students. They will ask us what kind of college the student belongs to. So deciding which college is also very, very important. Reputation of the college is very, very important. So what are the top 30 colleges in this country? The IITs, the public institutions. Say JNTU campus is very important. So we are in JNTU campus and the IIDT is a public institution. International Institute of Digital Technologies is established by government of Andhra Pradesh. So you will have to see how much recognition or reputation your college has. So let us look at this post-graduation program from IIDT Blackbucks, which is a public institution, how you can apply. As Arpit sir has mentioned, anybody can become a data scientist. There is no restriction. Only if you do a BTech, you do MTech. Like that, there is no restriction. Anybody can become a specialist. Whatever your route has been till now, you can choose this route as let me become a data scientist. So you are a BCom, you are a BSc, you are a BTech, you are MTech, you are MCA, you are MBA. The current batch has certain MBA students also. Whatever be it, you are eligible to become a data scientist. Okay. And we are seeing that the student should not have gap. And another important thing, the delay you make for your decision, more recession on one hand, and second thing is employees don't like gap in the resumes of the student. They don't like. If you have 1 year, 2 years gap, then think this is a gone case. That's what employers think. Okay. So we are also not taking people with gap, more than 2 years of gap. We think we cannot provide, cannot do justice to those people. But in case you think you are hardworking, just fill the form. A form will be circulated to you now. Fill that form. We will talk. Some counselor will talk to you personally and see if you can really work in it. Next step is, if you want to see the eligibility criteria, go to iidt.edu.in and check the eligibility criteria. But you are here, I know you are already eligible here. Okay. So what is the procedure? How does your success start? First, there will be entrance exam. We'll check your eligibility. Some people we really, even if we want to give them a chance, internally we think this person has to drop because we know this person cannot get into. So there is an entrance exam just like your GATE, just like getting into IITs, you have to take GATE. There is an entrance exam that you have to take to get into IIDT. Okay. After this is a simple entrance exam, you will have to write in aptitude, reasoning, verbal, a general exam, general aptitude exam. Usually placements people will give you that test, so you might be knowing those things. So there is an entrance exam. Once you clear that exam, then there will be interview by a panel of experts. They will interview and see if you are suitable for that. And then after that, there will be an admission letter. You should block your seat. There will not be more than 20 students. We run the program even with 4 students. I was speaking to IIT director recently. He said he ran a program with 1 student. So the quality of the student is more important than anything else. So you will have to block your seat by 31st October for the November batch. Okay. And on 2nd November, you will be having your orientation. There will be a small prerequisite course. There will be a small prerequisite course that, that Jagannath, who is starting here, is going through prerequisite course in the current 7th batch. And then finally, take it for granted, whoever student wants a placement. If you don't want a placement, we don't want to give. But if a student wants a placement, that is, it's our 100% responsibility. Not responsibility, it is our duty to place you in the job. So take your decision very wisely. As I said, don't have gaps in your resume. It is very dangerous. The more gap you have, the less opportunities you will have. And also, don't give more gap for your masters. So 2-year masters is a difficult one. You do not know. The situation is getting worse. When recession comes, it stays for 5 to 6 years. So it becomes worse. So don't give more gap. If you want to join a post-graduation and turn around your career, whether it be first job or second job, if you want to turn around your career, there are various options. Can do from the campus in Tirupati. So it is like a proper college and they will give you complete attention in the college. Second thing, you can do online if you are a working professional. Third thing, you can do over weekends in Hyderabad campus in JNTU, Hyderabad. Okay, there are many options which you have to ask the counselor. So fill in that sheet and ask the counselor. The counselor will get back to you. Okay. So yeah, that's how you can join, and that's it from my side. Just remember, one size doesn't fit for all. That is why small classes is our specialty. You have small classes, our coordinator will know every person by name, their strengths, their weaknesses, attended the class, didn't attend the class, how many marks, where should we post. All these things our coordinator will know. So if you just go and sit in 1,000 people, executive classroom, it doesn't fit you. Or if you just go through this Amirpet batches, batch after batch, it doesn't fit you. There is something which should be tailored exactly for you, right? That is what is IIDT Blackbucks program. This is a classroom session and will give you very good results, because knowledge, if you want, you will always get in the internet. But here is where, why is a classroom session important? Why is a small class is important is somebody will guide you throughout the next steps. Somebody will give you assignments. They will check those assignments. They will make sure you learn and implement and also be successful in the rest of your career. That is why a classroom session is 100% needed. Okay? So let us start, guys. There are 25 students. Thank you for staying back to here. Please fill it. Even if you have some queries, one of our guys will get back to you. They will fix an appointment with you, or your parents also should. I suggest parents should participate in the decision-making process. I came to Vijayawada and I am going around places in Vijayawada. Unfortunately, parents do not have understanding about most of the IT jobs, and they are guiding their students to take bank coaching, government job coaching. Where are those jobs? Did you see a notification very recently, past 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? Did you see a notification? So I would suggest parents also participate in counseling sessions. Please fill that form and participate in those sessions. Along with your parent, let them also understand the importance of getting an IT job or a data science or machine learning job immediately. Okay, so please fill in that form and we will call you. We will fix an appointment and we will have a discussion. Do not follow like sheep. All the students who are going for short courses, don't follow like sheep. I have given you certain parameters. I'm not saying IIDT Blackbucks, but have those parameters and choose the best college for you, for your growth and for your great future. Okay. Thank you so much. Fill that form and all the best to all of you. I hope and I sincerely wish all of you have great futures. Okay. Thank you so much. And again, once again, all the best to all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you so much, Arpit sir, for your valuable information. And I hope this session is useful for everyone. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to us through this form, or else you can call back to this number or WhatsApp this number. Thank you so much.